Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer. The holiday seasons are coming and we'll be doing lots of entertaining, and I'm making my first charcuterie board, hoping that you'll find it useful. It's a mix of cheeses, meat, savory, sweet, salty, spicy. I hope you like it. Muffin papers, liners. I love these mini tongs and mini spoons. And that's my spicy cashew spread. I made these melon balls before, golden berries and dried apples and pears and mini cucumbers, assorted crackers, chocolate wafers, rolled wafers, and blackberries, strawberries, crab dip, and blackcurrant fruit spread, fig fruit spread, and cheeses. Fancy cheeses, plain cheeses, get what you like. And deli slices in plant-based. And prosciutto, you have to get the prosciutto for the asparagus. Definitely. Steam the asparagus for 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes because they'll be too limp. Then you wrap them with the prosciutto and then you cut the bottoms off. And you lay out your cup for your spread or your butter or honey. Lay them where you think you'll need them. Of course, you can move them later on. Your grapes, cut the stems short. This board is 15 by 21 inches. That's my cashew dip over there. Spicy cashew dip. And here are my asparagus tips wrapped with prosciutto. They're really good. Ha! And then I put my crackers out. And put them where you think you will like them, but of course you can move them later on. Just lay them out now and then change them later. Spelt squares. I cut them in triangles. And that's my salami. I move them later on. They won't stay at that spot. You can move them around. And that's my plant-based deli slices. I double them, then I double again, and I get that nice frilly look. And that's the cheese. They're soft cheeses, so I just break them up and put them around. But use whichever cheese you like, hard cheese or soft cheese. Just use what you like. Those are my apple slices, dehydrated apple slices. Those are my mini cucumbers. I cut the ends off and then I slice them in 4 lengthwise. That's the crab meat dip, and I'm putting that in in the cups. Those cups hold a lot. Perfect. Plant-based cream cheese. The mandarin oranges. That's the feta goat cheese. And I'm adding more plant-based deli slices. I sliced the pear crosswise in 1/4-inch thick slices. Filling the open spaces with strawberries and blackberries. Okay, now I'm showing off. My dehydrated mangoes. Okay, the last of the cheeses. Okay, so here it is. After all of that, I was starving. I was so hungry. The pair with my spicy mango, spicy cashew spread with some fig fruit spread, a little piece of cheese, plant-based cheese. This was my favorite here. I love this. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.